folks, in this episode I'll be teaching you how to construct an angle similar to a given angle. Now the first step is to draw the given angle BAC. Now we're going to draw a given angle here. Let's call this angle BAC. So now let's call this one, let me draw an angle BAC here. This is my given angle. So this is my given angle with this. So this will be my angle B to A and then to C. So this is BAC, angle BAC. Now the next step for you to do is the next thing is you with center A and any radius draw an arc to cut AB at D and AC at E. So with center A now and opening to any radius, draw an arc to cut AB. So this AB, let's cut it at D, and then another arc to cut at, rather the same arc to cut at E. So now this is now D, here's D and here's E. Now the next step for you to do is draw a line FG. So let's draw a straight line FG now. So this is our straight line. So this is FG. The next step is with center F and radius AD, draw an arc to draw FG at H. So with center F and radius AD, we're going to draw an arc to cut FG at H. Let's draw an arc to cut this original line at H. So this is H. So I hope you can see that. Now the next step is with center H and radius ED, draw an arc to cut the previous one at J. So we're going to draw with center H and radius ED. So we're going to put our compass at E and then open it till it gets to D. So let's open it till it gets to D. So now it's as D now. So it is now at D, as you can see. Now you're going to use this same radius to cut you cut from H to cut this arc. Now the last thing for you to do is you are going to join these points where you cut. Let's call this Z, point Z. So join Z to F. So we are going to join Z to F with a straight line. So this is one, and then bravo. So this angle ZFG is the angle that is similar to angle BAC.